Sunod naming pinuntahan ang Sky Fitness Gym sa Makati. Forte nila ang personalized training. Ibig sabihin, personal na tinututukan ng bawat trainer ang progress ng client na nakatoka sa kanya.
When you talk about Sky Fitness, it's about doing soft tissue release, self-myofascial release, doing postural assessments, movement screen testing, yan ang Sky Fitness.
Na-establish siya sa Singapore, 2006. And meron din kami mga branches sa India, and then this is our first branch in the Philippines. So dito sa Philippines, ang gusto namin is palakihin yung Sky Fitness dito. We approach yung fitness as a more on the scientific training. Sky Fitness kasi is more on personal training studio. So bagay to sa mga taong, meron talagang gustong ma-achieve when it comes to their health and fitness goals. Kasi ang trend ngayon sa fitness is gearing towards medical wellness approach already. So yun yung ibibigay namin sa mga clients na gustong itry ang Sky Fitness.
Ang bagong client ay nag-undergo ng series of tests para ma-assess ang general physical condition para ma-address ang specific needs.
So, Rodel, nandito tayo sa assessment room. So, dito natin ginagawa yung mga assessments like postural analysis, movement screening, and then yung ating machine na tinatawag natin na in-body analyzer, which is 98% accurate.
So, lahat ng mga first-time clients nyo ay dumadaan sa ganitong proseso?
Yes.
After natin na ma-process or matapos yung ating process dito sa analysis na to, malalaman na natin kung ano yung mga mali sa katawan ko, kung ano yung kailangan tanggalin, ano yung kailangan iayos. Yan.
Correct.
After lang neto sa process na to.
So, when you come to Sky Fitness, ang gagawin natin is i-assess ka namin when it comes to your posture. Kasi yun yung basic foundation mo eh. And then, we're going to let you do some movement test para makita natin kung ano yung mga restrictions ng katawan mo when it comes to your movement. And then, yung next step natin will be yung in-body analyzer namin is actually 98% accurate. So, makikita natin if meron kang degree of obesity, which areas of your body is weak. Makikita natin doon kung ano yung specific weight mo, yung mga visceral fat content. Then, nakita mo yung body ratio mo. This is the normal, and this is you. Medyo graphic lang yung para makita natin yung difference.
So your obesity is central. The fats are accumulated dun sa tummy. Yes.
After natin makita lahat yon, yung fitness coach ko will design a program specific to your concern. Plus of course, if you have a goal, isasama natin yon.
Base sa Optimum Performance Training ang kanilang mga exercises. Nakapattern naman ito sa exercises ng kanilang National Academy of Sports Medicine sa US.
Actually, a lot of people, especially the fitness goers, they default exercising because they don't see the results. So, dito sa Sky Fitness, if you invest in us, we'll make sure na gagawa kami ng program na i-address natin lahat ng concern na makikita natin sa inyo. So, we'll make sure that when you hire us to, do specific training for you, we will give it to you talaga 100%. So when you come here, you schedule with us, and then from the start of your program hanggang matapos yung session mo with us more than an hour, kasama mo yung fitness coach. So talagang mamomotivate ka. They will really do everything to make, the goal reachable for you.
At dahil individual ang focus, nami-meet ng trainer at ng client ang mga goals na kanilang ginawa for the whole program.
We try to place ourselves in a strategic manner, Kasi nga para sa akin kasi ang personal training, it's not mainly only for celebrities, And also naman yung pricing din namin is also, if you see the value, yes, there's the value on the personal training itself. And nakikita ko kasi ang Philippines ready na eh. Ang key point doon, yung essence ng ginagawa nila, pati yung programming, yun ang pwede namin bigay. 100%. We know we can really provide the best program saka to enhance their sport, enhance the well-being. Hindi lang basta sa exercise din and also when it comes to recovery, yung aming genesis namin, which is magnetic resonance recovery, and also medical fitness.
Take the case of Sky Fitness. Kahit marami na ang mga establishment gym sa bansa, Natuto silang makipagsabayan sa mga ito. Pinupuntahan sila ng mga tao dahil sa personalized treatment nila sa mga clients.
Competition is good, actually. And I like it because, you know, guys, sabi ko, my main objective is to uplift, to contribute something to the fitness industry. Okay yan. As how I see it, the trending now is mainly results. We are a result-based company, so we give personal training as the result for fitness.
When you hire us to do your training, we'll make sure na you'll achieve whatever you like. Just give us your time, and whatever we're going to tell you, just do it. Okay. Nice workout.